best. It's Lil Z in the building. Birdman. Birdman Jr.
Going in, leading it on the answer. While we rapping, got my background dancer. Face mask on, yeah, you know it white. We be rapping every single night, so I'm getting better. Got a new sweater, I don't even care about the weather. I keep it real, got the nice tea. And if you wanna talk, I got the beef. No vegetarian, because I eat that meat. Got the steak, hit the beat. I ain't even tripping, I'm going insane. These flows are coming off the top of my brain. Making money, I got it in the power. And if you wanna battle, I'm ready any hour. You see? Nah, I think you blind. I'm in first, and you were just behind. You got a head start, I see you at the finish. Now I'm winning, I eaten all these finish. I win, and you lose. You snooze, and then you lose. You going in, I'm messing with my hair. You say I'm having a good dream, you having a nightmare. Freddy against Jason, who gonna win? It's a strange battle, strange clouds are going in. Hey Brent, what you gotta say? Hey Brent.
Birdman, you know we the win. I'm staying on the top like a champion. This Birdman joke, I'm the man. Young money, be the fan, Getting cold in here, you know it. It's winter, and that's it.
Hey, dang, it's over. Yeah, I'm hopping on the shoulder. Your rap's cold, well my rap is colder. Brent, Halloween is over. Take off your mask. I'll last. I don't even know. My name's Zach. Zachary Mo. The beat dropping. We going back. I'm going in, my swag is on full attack. I asked the girl, I said meet me in summer. I said one word and she already wanted my number. I said, man, that's cool. You know I never hesitate. We went to Mama's Lab, the girl gave me a free milkshake. Yeah, that's kinda cool. The beat got bass. Yeah, I'm always in first place. My arms are jumping up and down, can't handle. I got the ball, you know I'm scoring random. Trayvon, number 4.